why don't we talk right away with what you think people can be doing at home to raise their pet's vitality, and what that even means to raise vitality.
Well, I think it's a great question, and you know it's funny to me because if you think about health, which means whole and complete, right? And then we go like the only people that should be given advice are veterinarians. Well, that means you're not doing anything from here all the way over to here until your dog gets sick, and then you're going to the vet. And if you're doing wellness, then you're still not doing anything until you get a vaccine or you're going for heartworm control or one of those visits, which are actually all disease-oriented activities, you know? We're resisting a disease or we're trying to prevent a disease, but it's like health starts at home. That's the fact to me. Health starts at home, and even in complicated diseases, you know, we don't see really amazing responses or what we would call like miraculous responses unless the very first element of healing is present, and that's love. And love is at home. It should be at the vet too, right? The word hospital means a safe place. You take your sick animal to the hospital, a safe place to get some treatment that's going to help them get better. But the first safe place is home, and that's where the love is. So we have every activity we do in healthcare needs to start with love. It needs to start there, and not the fuzzy, sugary stuff, you know, but the actual real thing. And one of the things we work with our clients on is actually helping them understand that love's not a poetic idea, that it's a real thing. It's a substance that you can feel and know is present or know is absent. And people can do their own experiments on that, you know, love someone and sit with them, and then don't love them and sit with them and see if they can tell when you stop loving them. And I guarantee you that they can tell you. So if they can feel that, if they can see that, and they know that, then it's a real force. And we know from laboratory stuff that when we sit with cells in loving experience, their chemistry is better. So we don't have to argue it any further than that. Health and love go together. Anybody who wants to argue that's trying to sell us something that we don't need anyways, you know. So I think at home, it's got to start with love. And that means love is going to do a few things, right? Love is going to be present with you. Love is going to allow you to have some safe space. Love is going to allow you to align your resources so that you can make the best of your talents. Love is going to let you exchange those with other people, because none of us are whole and complete in every regard, you know. That's why we have homeopaths and herbalists and politicians and electricians and chemists, because we all gravitate into different places.